All right, back to the healing brush tool. Guys, if you want to see the spot healing brush tool, so the thing with this is it tends to not leave texture intact. And yes, you can get away with it. What I like to use a spot healing brush for is the lighten mode. All right, so if I want to just go over something and lighten, like a shadow or something like in here, doesn't always hit it. You can lighten pimples without having to remove it like that. And then normal is the other mode that I like. But generally, over time, this doesn't get skin texture 110% right always. It's okay for mole removal. I do still like the healing brush tool. But to give you, oh, that left a pressure mark. All right, so healing brush tool, alt left click. Alt left click. All right. And we're going to hunt down this mole in the back. And we're going to change that brush size right there. Alt left click. You can step back, hit Control Z or edit and undo. All right. And we're just up close on anything that's really like sticking out really bad. We're not here to fix the back knee completely, but if we wanted to do it a little bit faster, we absolutely could.